All right, I'm going to show you guys how to go from a rhythm guitar part to a lead part back to a rhythm part based on like an A blues, all right? So your favorite guitar players do this all the time. The key is to have a good sense of time, be able to strum your chord, go to the lead line, still know where you're at in the chord progression, get back to the chord, and have it all be seamless, all right? Take some practice, but if you do it every day, you'll get it, all right? So I'll give you an example right here. So A blues, I'm going to play an A9 chord, or you can do an A7. I'm going to go boom, boom, give you a better view here, boom, boom, and then I'm going to go, so I'll do the whole thing. So here's all I'm doing is playing a chord. I'm going bump, bump. So root, root. And then I go 5 to 6, 5, 7, 5, 5, 7, 5, and then right back into it. So you got to be able to go. So here's the second half of that. So first half again, boom, boom. So the second half is same type of a lead line. And then I go 5 to 6, 5, 7, and I go 8, slide immediately to 7, and then I go 5, 7, 5. So boom, boom. Try it. You might have to watch it a few times. I may need to go back and do it again. I hope you enjoy it.